Hey everybody, quick video today. I've been keeping an eye on the Ruger Security-9 price for a while. It's a gun I've had my eye on for several months, about 6-8 months now. And I've been wanting to get it, and I finally found a good price. I found this one at Academy Sports. It was $269 out the door. It came in under $290 with tax, so that's a pretty good deal for a 9mm that I'm considering making my everyday carry. So I pulled the trigger and making this quick video so you guys can see what's inside of it when you open the box. You got your instruction manual, get your normal Ruger stuff, little knives booklet, sticker. Do you own a Ruger Blackhawk? Here's what you do. ShopRuger.com, save 20%. Thank you for buying a Ruger. Now let's get to the gun. Take it out of the bag here. There it is. There is the Ruger Security-9 9mm. It is a double stack 15 capacity magazine. There. It's got these sights on them that are very Glock-like, and just, it looks like a good, it seems like a very high quality gun for the sub 300 price. I've seen a lot of reviews on it myself, and it seems like people absolutely like this gun. So I'm hoping to get out to the range with it soon and put a few hundred rounds through it. Comes with 2 magazines, so you get the 2 mags for under $300. The gun locks like normal. I want to just get my scale out here because I'm curious about some of the weights on it. Zero the scale out. Unloaded, about 21 ounces. Stick a mag in there. Under 24. This is not bad. I like this thing. It's looking good so far. It's feeling good in my hands. Again, under $290, out the door, 2 magazine, 15 round capacity. I don't think I'm going to have any complaints on it, but I will get back to you after I do a review, after I go to the range for a little bit, so that I can give a full review on this thing. I'm not seeing any issues with this thing so far. It looks nice, it looks crisp, clean, it feels good in my hand. Not too heavy, not too light. So that's it. That's what you get in the box. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like if you will. And have a good day, guys.